मैंने एआई से पूछा कि इंटरनेट पे पैसे कैसे कमाए जाते हैं, देखिए उसका जवाब।
There are many ways to make money on the internet. Here are a few popular methods. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Freelance, or Fiverr. 2. Online surveys. Many companies pay people to take surveys about their products or services. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Windale Research offer paid surveys. 3. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your website or social media platforms. Websites like Amazon Associate Us and ClickBank offer affiliate programs. 4. Online tutoring. You can offer your expertise in a particular subject by tutoring students online. Websites like Ched, Tutom, and Schooly offer online tutoring services. 5. Selling products online. You can sell products on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Remember, making money on the internet requires effort and dedication. It's important to research and choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests.